Now practice set number 1.1, and the first question of the practice set 1.1 is base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of this triangle. They ask to find ratio of areas of triangle. आपणाला रेशिओ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. आणि व्हॉट इज द गिवन दिलाय त्यांनी बेस ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज 9 and height is 5. For the first triangle they gives base and height, and of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. आणि second triangle साठी दिले base and height. So now we write the given thing first. Base of a triangle is 9. So the base of first triangle B1 is a 9. Height is 5. H1 is a 5. B2 base for the second triangle is a 10 and height is a 6. So H2 is a 6. Now we have to find ratio of areas. So by property of area of triangles, A1 upon A2 ratio of area is equal to ratio of product of base and height, B1 into H1, denominator B2 into H2. Now we fill the value here. What is the B1? What is the B1? B1 is a 9. H1 is a 5. B2 is a 10. H2 is a 6. Now divide it. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Now what's the remaining? Remaining is a 3 into 1 in the denominator, 2 into 2 into the denominator. So we have right now here is a what? Therefore A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 ones are 3 upon 2 twos are 4. Now write the answer. Therefore ratio of area of triangle is equal to 3 as 4. असा असेल प्रश्न क्रमांक 1. Now practice set 1.1 question number 2. In this second question they gives a diagram. In this diagram, segment BC is perpendicular on AB. Segment BC is perpendicular on segment AB, and the segment AD is perpendicular on segment AB. Here they ask to find ratio of area triangle ABC and area triangle ADB. They ask to find ratio of area. Now first check where is the triangle ABC. Here is the triangle ABC. Triangle ABC हा वरच्या बाजूला आहे. So I just draw it separately. ABC. This is not the part of answer. I just draw a triangle ABC separate. Now here AB is a base and BC is a perpendicular, means height. So what is the base? Base is a AB, and what is the height? Height is a BC. for the triangle ABC. Now the second triangle is a ADB, which is the downward. I again draw it separately. A, D, B. If you take AB base, AD become a height, कारण AB वर AD perpendicular है. So here we get AB base and AD height. Now check the base. Base AB is a common to both triangle. दोन्ही ट्रायंगलला AB हा बेस कॉमन आहे. Now the answer. Start of the answer. First triangle ABC and the second triangle ADB has equal base AB. दोघांचा बेस कसा आहे? इक्वल आहे. If the triangle has a equal base, what is the property? By property of areas of triangle with equal base. If the base are equal, ratio of area is equal to ratio of height. This is the property. Therefore, ratio of area, first area triangle ABC upon the second area triangle ADB. First height is a BC and second height is a AD. Now just fill the value. BC is a 4 which is given and AD is a 8 which is also given. So divide it now. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we get 1 upon 2. That is your answer. 1 upon 2. Ratio of area triangle ABC upon area triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. Practice set 1.1, question number 3rd. Segment PS is perpendicular on RQ. This PS is perpendicular on RQ. Means in a triangle PQR, if we consider RQ base, then PS is a height. Second thing is a segment QT perpendicular on segment PR. This is a PR and QT is a perpendicular on it. Means if we consider PR base, then QT is a height for the same triangle PQR. So here we take the triangle with two different base. When segment RQ is base, area triangle PQR is equal to half into base RQ. And what is the height? If the base is a RQ, height is a PS. Now we take the another base. When segment PR is base. Now PR is a base, so QT is a height. So area triangle PQR is equal to half into base PR and height QT. Here triangle PQR is same. Here triangle is same. If the triangle is a same, then area is also same. Triangle same, area same. So we get half into RQ into PS first area is equal to half into PR into QT second area. Okay, now half cancelled. RQ into PS is equal to PR into QT. Now substitute the value which are given in your question. RQ is a 6, PS is also 6, PR is a 12, QT we don't know. 6 6 are 36 is equal to 12 into QT. Now 12 comes to the left hand side in a division form. So we get 12 ones are 12, 12 threes are 36. So 3 is equal to QT. Therefore, answer is a QT is equal to 3 units. 3 units. Okay.